Introducing the Blackstone 36-inch griddle with the brand new accessory side shelf, featuring electric ignition, 4 independently controlled burners, and 60,000 BTUs that heat your griddle to scorching hot temperatures. 36 inches of cold-rolled steel with the new patent-pending rear grease management system. The removable accessory side shelf helps save time and makes food prep fast and easy. Cooking your favorite foods is just that much easier. The paper towel holder saves shelf space and makes oiling your griddle top and cleanup a breeze.
Attach a garbage bag to the built-in hooks for a convenient place to throw away trash and keep your griddle area clean.
Outdoor cooking for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.